Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code B0096 means there is a problem with the right side restraint sensor 1, subfault. This sensor is responsible for detecting potential collisions and deploying the appropriate safety measures. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is illuminated on the dashboard. 2. Possible non-deployment of airbags in the event of a collision. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose wiring or connections to the right side restraint sensor 1. Check for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections in the wiring leading to the sensor. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and proper voltage. Tighten any loose connections or repair damaged wiring. Clean any corrosion from the connections. If the sensor is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Faulty right side restraint sensor 1. Use a scan tool to check for any fault codes related to the sensor. Additionally, conduct a visual inspection of the sensor for any physical damage. If the sensor is confirmed to be faulty, it will need to be replaced with a new one. Ensure proper installation and calibration of the new sensor. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.